Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean your earbuds TCL. In this video I'm going to use this type of brush, but if you have a clean tool you can use also a toothbrush, and I'm going to use isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol doesn't conduct electricity, so there will be no short circuit. So I'm going to apply isopropyl alcohol at the charging contacts. On the front side of each earbud right here we have 3 dots, and also at the right earbud this one is charging contacts. Also we have charging contacts at the charging case. So firstly let's apply it at the earbuds and then clean it with a brush. Here we go, now the right one. Now I am going to apply isopropyl alcohol also at the charging contacts in my charging case. And I'm going to clean it with the same type of brush. And the right one. Then I want to clean the grill, so we need to remove ear tips from the earbuds and slightly clean it with again the same type of brush. For these earbuds we don't need to use ear sticks. And the right one. And then we can apply ear tips back. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.